This angle, we're gonna stay low. We're gonna be able to move our knee around, get really deep. So I got this hand is anchored, so if I take my weight this way, it'll come up. So being centered on the foot, and we're at that eversion position, exploring through the ranges of that eversion. I can use this as I lean towards me to pull myself. There's another whole handle here for you to explore that dorsiflexion in range, knee over toe. As I come this way, I'm pushing the foot downward, so that way when I pull up, I don't just pull myself and raise it up. I actually am pushing down through the foot. I'm using this to pull me back this way so I can explore as I push the inside ankle bone down. There's our exploration of seeing how all that feels in there. Then after doing that for a couple of minutes, then hit our PAILS rails. We can get comfy here, so we're gonna spend some time. If you need this for extra leverage, totally use that for extra leverage to pull yourself into this. So my PAILS contraction is going to be through here, pushing all my feet, my toes down into the board, as if I was driving through this section of my foot to swipe into inversion, if you would. Now, as I do that, that's my PAILS contraction. I'm making sure that the foot doesn't actually come up, so I'm keeping that big toe down. Then I'm going to lift as best I can, trying to lift this whole section of the foot off the board, keeping the knee to the lateral side. Essentially, this is going to make the inside ankle bone drop down lower. I have my anchored and leverage, and then I'll repeat that process. Push back down, 8 to 12 seconds of PAILS, and pull, getting all this musculature on the side of my lower leg here, all the way up to the knee. I can even put my finger here to feel if the fibularis longus is firing, so I can focus on making sure that all that musculature is really doing its job. For that rails contraction, I'll go back and forth between PAILS rails for the duration of 2 minutes. Cool? Cool.